Lawmakers in Massachusetts have pushed through a bill that would formally repeal its 173-year-old law banning abortion. It's called the Negating Archaic Statutes Targeting Young Women, or Nasty Women Act, and it was passed Wednesday, Vice reports. Republican Governor Charlie Baker is expected to sign the bill, which comes amid concern that Roe v. Wade could be repealed or significantly weakened once Supreme Court Justice Anthony Kennedy retires. Massachusetts State Senate President Harriet Chandler, a Democrat, tells Time, "I think people are beginning to realize these are strange times we live in. Nothing is impossible, and we've got to have a plan B. If these laws are enforced, what do we do?" Adding, "We're not willing to sit back and say, well, it's not going to happen here." The word for that is denial. Abortion is already legal under state law there, with opponents of the bill calling it unnecessary. C.G. Doyle, the executive director of the Catholic Action League of Massachusetts, says, "This is one of the most homogeneous pro-abortion states in the union. This whole legislation is an exercise in posturing and pandering. We're a very long way from overturning Roe v. Wade." However, Rebecca Hart-Holder, the president of NARAL Pro-Choice Massachusetts, warns that any state can have a threat to abortion care and those rights should not be taken for granted. Massachusetts is among the 10 states with an abortion ban predating Roe on the book, according to a policy and research organization called the Guttmacher Institute. But the state isn't alone in trying to be proactive, as New Mexico lawmakers are prioritizing a similar repeal, while local organizers in conservative states are developing plans to ensure women could still obtain safe abortions even if Roe were overturned.